Macaroni. Somewhere if I can.
You can find a space.
Well.
Oh,
Lettuce there.
that lettuce any good? That looks bad, Mom. I don't think. Ooh, that's no
Rabbits,
good.
the rabbits eat that.
I'll bring it out to the rabbits. Yeah, I'll take
Bag
that.
back in
Yeah.
the garbage.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
When you come,
Oh, the lettuce. Yeah.
that's no good.
No, probably not now. That one I didn't open's still good. That looks good. Well, no. I'll throw it out.
You can keep it for.
No, I can't lug it home, but it looks bad underneath there.
What else is in there? It's no good.
That's no good.
There's some pills. I never took them.
Oh, those. I'll take them back.
Want them?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I'll take them. Just, yeah, I'll take them.
But I want that little bottle.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
need it for something.
Yeah, okay.
I could put them in the little bag.
Yeah, yeah, I'll get a baggie.
Yeah.
I got a bottle. I'll put them right in the same. I have the same bottle. I have the bottle of those. I'll put them in it.
Oh, you got the bottle?
Yeah, I got the bottle. That's the black seed oil. I like that stuff. There you go. See, that's why I wanted to clean out your fridge for you.
Huh?
I knew I would. See, that's why I asked. I wanted to clean your fridge.
Oh, I didn't.
Ah, there's the other bottle. There's that other one. Oh, that's kind of.
That's no good. Throw it in the garbage.
Throw that out. That's no good too. I wouldn't. That's probably all right.
No sun in there.
Hmm?
There's,
What's that?
we sauce, cherry sauce. Can't throw that out. Can't throw this out. That's good. That's my jam, no sugar.
That's your jam with no sugar? Yeah. Think that'll make a difference? Huh? It helps.
What else can we throw out?
Well, look up top there. It looks pretty serious up there. What's all that up there?
What?
What's up there now?
In there.
Yeah, check it out. You never know.
Raisins.
Huh?
Piece cake.
What about the very bottom? What's down at that bottom? Anything rotten down there?
I don't think so.
No, those are great, beautiful. Oh, those cucumbers right from the garden.
Should they be wrapped up?
I don't. It's usually all right. Yeah.
And leave the doors would let the air in.
Yeah, it's better, yeah.
There's some apples.
Oh, maybe I'll eat those in the morning.
And they're good.
Are they?
Ain't they?
Oh, there's a little bit soft, Mom. A little bit spongy.
That's good. Is it?
Is it? I don't know. Well, you got so many, Mom. You're never going to get through them all.
No.
You might want to bring one to church and give one to Nancy. One of those nice cucumbers. Right from the garden. And that lettuce, too. You should bring her some lettuce, Mom. If she eats that. And a nice big cucumber. And maybe some of those. Maybe she likes those. Nancy. Huh? Somebody in church might like that? Put it in a nice bag and...
Yeah, but she thinks where we get it.
Well, you tell somebody give it to you. That's no good. I wouldn't eat that. Not when it's gone brown like that.
Hmm?
Not when it's brown like that.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't. It's up to you. Yeah, eat that one. That's from the garden. You'll be good with that for 2 weeks. They keep longer too, I find. The stuff right from the garden.
Some stuff under there. Boys.
I'll take that out. I'll take it out.
Whatever then.
Oh, I'm done. See? That's Michelle.
No, you can't see it. Way back.
Okay. Well, yeah, the rabbits, I love that in the morning.
Yeah.
I'll take it out. All of it.
Boy.
Huh?
Take it out of the container.
Yeah, I will,
Throw
Mom.
the containers.
Yeah, no, well, of course, Mom. I'm not going to leave them out there on beautiful God's land.
What'd you get? Oh, 4 cans?
Yeah, you can keep those. So you make salads later.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Now you know how I do it. See, I made a salad for them for dinner. Put some chickpeas for them.
Put them
They like it like that. Okay.
in that little bag.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll do that.
There now.
Yeah, you done cleaning your fridge out, Mom?
Huh?
You done cleaning the fridge out? Huh? You think that's it?
Yeah, it's too much bending work.
Yeah.
I don't think
Huh?
now it's in there.
That's pretty good. What's behind the milk? What's behind the milk? Nothing.
Beets for supper.
With your salad, yeah, maybe. Yeah. You're okay.
Bagels is good.
Bagels? Uh-huh.
That's it.
That's it. So you're good. You're all right.
That there, I'll cook that up
Sometime? Well, you better do it before it goes bad. It's starting to look bad there, Mom. Look, see that? That's mold. I don't want to eat mold.
Yeah, they're all
You shouldn't do that. You want fresh vegetables. Never eat bad, moldy stuff, Mom.
Your little mouth, dump all that.
That'll be all right.
There, I got their all hugged.
You done now?
Yes.
Okay, yes, okay.
There, I'm going to sit down.